Hey, I'm going back to New York. It's Rondie. Finally, yep, trip from Africa is done. Going back to the city. It's been a life-changing trip. Very powerful, spiritually creative. I met some of the most amazing artists, you know, and we're gonna do some big things. Zafawa. And they can pronounce it for me. So we're gonna do some really big things for the world. You know, artists unite, and we're doing some big things. Yo, Jamaican, right now I'm in Amsterdam, and go back to New York, and the Amsterdam girl, I'm gonna take a picture. Yeah. Right now, I'll go back up. Confirm. Where you say? Watch yourself, girl. Watch yourself. Watch yourself. Alright, Jamaica, I just come back to Brooklyn. No. Just land off of the plane about 18 hours of traveling. You see me? From Africa, Cape Town, Amsterdam, all over the place. But the fun at the background with their doggies right now. So for the hey, I could try if you stop eat the meat. But me just come back from Africa and I'm not touch the goat meat, so I want, you know, man, so I'm gonna make a commitment to, you know, so I'm gonna stay off of the meat. But today, I just come in and from an 18-hour flight. So you know somebody don't want right now the doggies in Brooklyn. Yeah, can see doggies. Yeah, I'm my favorite place this. But I'm gonna try stay off of the meat. The fun at the background. Jamaican I love when give thanks for back in the town. No, nothing to tell me about Africa. Okay? We have to eat a curry goat. Hopefully tomorrow I'll make a salad and thing and try to stay off of the meat. Love you know. Soon. Enough things for sure now. Give thanks. Friends, we're back in the city. There's Anais.
It's $5.
How much I get?
Huh?
How much we have?
1, 2, 3. I have 5. I have more than 5.
Alright. That's Anais. Guys, thank you for having me back in the city. Love you guys. One and all, welcome to the breakfast with Rondie sit down breakfast. As you all know, I turned 45-year-old, we're getting old. Come from Africa, and I decided to not eat no chicken no more. I'm not going to eat no more meat. The consensus on this channel has been Rondie has been eating too much. People say my belly big and my fat, so I'm going to change that. Good morning, sister and agents, brethren, doctor, lawyer, policeman, and thief. People working hard in this city. They are a job right now, whether they are New York or Jamaica. I'm sending you love to you and your family, and your baby, and your son, and everything. I'm just sending love out to them, because more time we're not get no love and thing, and nobody not tell them say, them love you know. So no say I'm love you know like cook food right now. The cooked food I am eating is okra. Banana and some white yam. This morning breakfast is to say I'm back in Brooklyn. I'm doing a lot of editing on the film that I'm doing in South Africa, Botswana, and Johannesburg. I went to Africa for the first time, 44 years. I spent a month. It was an incredible trip. Life-changing experience. Too much people in this. It was a life-changing experience. I'm much more calm now. I'm more peaceful. Not like I was warlike before, but much calmer now and see life differently. It's a different level of separation and come back to Brooklyn and you know, I'm gonna change up a lot of things. I change up a lot of things and looking forward to reach out to Jamaica soon. But this okra tastes real good. Today I want to talk about what I saw. The basic idea is that basically other cultures are farming in their own industry, but our culture, we're not farming. We're all trying to be educated to get jobs. That's what I see over the world. And farming is the best first job any man or woman could have. That's what I'm seeing over the world. And we really need to just think about that. I'm not sure if you buy a land in Jamaica, but I can't wait to get back home to plant some more trees. This was just a short note. Continue your journey. Take care of your family. Look out for the video them. Women, I go set up. Continue to share the video them. Send love to you and yours. Blessings to all my fans them. I love you. Only make me keep doing this thing. The amount of comment me gets around, they will love what you do, will love what you do. Give thanks because more time in life. You know, you're afraid to do things are, you know. There's no car alone. The food expensive, yes, you know. I still down, I pay for this look of food. Saltfish. Okra, but it's nice too. People in my aunt in the restaurant. You know. So basically I'm come back to New York City and everybody's stressed out. But when I'm in Africa, you know. In Africa, this is some real thing. People make $200 a month, you know, a month, and them eat the same thing every day for 1 week. So a woman sometimes they eat the same thing, and them not eat much vegetable. Alright, so rough, but anyway, we talk later here. We talk later. We talk later. Eat your food and take yourself, drink your water and take your vitamin, alright? Get some vitamin D outside because right now you need vitamin D for the sun. Remember to wash your foot, because if you come over yard, I don't want to wear the foot later. Oh God, the pretty man, look on the dumpling there. Look there. I just eat some breakfast, but just say I know more I touch some more, you know. Look nice, man. You look nice. You're looking good. See you later. Alright. Yes. This is the neighborhood. Yeah. New York. And the parking meter.
Here, it was 75 cents.
Let's go walk. Put it in the car. Watch the doo-doo in the car. Put it up on from the other side. Hey, yes, this is Rondie. I'm building a new Jamaica radio and the video channel. I just came back from Africa, and this is our future right here. All of you that's going to be interviewed on the radio station, email me at jatalkradio@gmail.com. Email me at jatalkradio@gmail.com. Send me your phone number. We're going to talk about plans, Africa, and different plans. So I'm building a new radio system. I came back from Africa. It was wonderful. And when the old number doesn't work anymore, I'm going to turn that off. So just email me at jatalkradio@gmail.com and let's start talking. Hope you're doing well with your family. Take care. Good morning. Eating breakfast this morning. Because of prayer, give thanks and praises to the Most High creation for all that He's done for us. Jamaica, the okra them, and the saltfish mini in New York City is currently $7.90. Now let's talk about this right here. $7.90 for a piece of yam, banana. $12.15 me get some peanut punch. I don't eat the meat no more. So, if we're really going to farming, look at okra and saltfish. Boy, man, I tell you, $7 for breakfast. Why? I wonder how you guys are doing. Thanks for watching the videos I'm putting up. Thanks for subscribing. I see some new people come on the scene. What's her name? Yeah man, Miss Uno. May I edit more video? I must say Miss Uno. Give thanks for watching and everything. Big heart, big up yourself, General. I forget to the name, you know. And start sending out shout outs to you know, because I know to support the thing, you know, share the thing and thing. I'm a friend Tracy mother. So one time I call one of my friends and she texts me, she said, my mother said she watch your video. So the video them gone worldwide now. So I'm gonna get to the name and send them the shout outs, you see me? If you don't want me to send out no greetings to anyone, just make a comment on the video and say, yo, Rondie, send greetings out to my mother in St. Mary. Tell her I love her and thing. And me send out a greeting and you send the video back to her. I'm glad so we have a local village. We can sit down and talk about things. We can share ideas and gather, you know. Well, this channel is really more positive than anything else. Informational. Lots of talk about health and things and how we can progress. I'm going to call God soon. Big up yourself, God. We got Jamaicans all over the world. From UK to... I'm going to set up the radio system. I just come back from Africa, so I change up my life a little bit. Big up to my brother and my mother and my family. Yeah, the yam really nice. I called Baba and check for Baba. And Patrick soon. I go to Jamaica go see them. Precious, big up yourself. Yeah. A shout out to all the Jamaicans them. To the woman them, take care of yourself and cut back on the meat. The meat turn on the cancer. Sometimes people email me and they need a contact number for the herbalists and stuff. We had some challenges with giving out them information there. That's why we don't really give it out. But for the cancer thing, especially if you're sick right now, you must get a Vitamix blender. It's expensive, about 500 US, but get a Vitamix blender because it blends everything out. And you must blend pumpkin juice in the morning and drink that. One of my brethren in that heart attack and him deal with the pumpkin juice. My mother tell me, and the papa. And keep it natural, you know. When you drink it, don't drink no soda. When you drink a thing, you must check the label. All they must put on the label is juice. Yeah. But my auntie tell me for the fibroids, I think what cause the fibroids room and then a whole heap of the meat, too much meat and something with the cosmetics also. So keep everything natural, you know? Okra, saltfish. No dumpling. Dumpling can't live in my house no more. No red meat, I don't eat them things anymore. May 7th, I stop eat meat. Just fish and no chicken. So I'm going to test that out for a month or so. I mean a whole year. I'm going to test it out now for the rest of my life. I'll give thanks soon, man. When people on the video, when them say Rondie, we love the video, we love your video, then let me tell you, man, it makes me day. You know, say me I do something and people love it, you see me? It make me day, it make me feel good. As a filmmaker, I've been doing this for a very long time, and they want to expose the living condition in a trench town and different part of Jamaica. Build a community so we can talk and think. And more time you do things in life and people don't understand what you do. And them will say things to you for kind of discourage you. So I noticed when I've been watching my Africa video. So you know, I said to him, a lot of people did not know that I was a Pan-Africanist. I was a Bahaviite. I am. That was, is, right now. And Marcus Garvey was really a standard for me in my life. So for me, if you go Africa, I plant a tree, the Jamaica tree, and then give me a house, the Jamaica house. I'm gonna show you guys this stuff later. So I'm gonna find a place in Africa that we can gather. I'm gonna go buy land. Listen, I'm gonna buy the land through the Africans there for now. It's very strict in certain countries in Africa to buy land. They have to have permit and stuff to work and do things. But I don't really care about the ownership in my name. My whole thing is, I'm gonna start do business with the Africans them. I'm gonna start buy cars for them. Because when you diversify your business from Africa to US to Jamaica, it's better. Africa is growing right now. So it's best to buy land there through them people there. So when you reach like 60, 55, and you retire, you have 10 acres of Africa where you pay 6,000 US for. That's the kind of thing you have to do for invest. So in a Botswana, I'm going to buy some acres. In a Botswana, through my brethren them. Every summer I'm going to go back. Spend 2 weeks. Put some container upon it, and when we get older, we just fence it around and open up a little restaurant. So I leave America knowing that I have the land Africa done and the business are run. So a good business plan is to take $3,000, buy a car, make somebody in a Cape Town rent it out, buy a big piece of land in Botswana, get it right in the middle. You drive to Zimbabwe, drive to Cape Town, and you're safe. So when you retire, you're off to be in Africa. 90 days you can't stay there. You don't have to build no house, just drop some container already pre-built. Dig a pit and you're done. And spend 90 days in Jamaica. And if you have a house in New York, spend 90 days here. 3 9 27. Right? So that is the wisdom. Africa is amazing. So for you ladies and gentlemen, on a need to take a trip, if you want connections and things, on a serious, email me jatalkradio@gmail.com. Email me a phone number jatalkradio@gmail.com, and we'll talk from there. I like to have a conversation with people before we give them links. Big up to Big Heart and all them on there. We'll talk later. Love it, alright? Talk to you later.